What are you feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling good.
Yeah?
Yeah, the fact that I'm going to do a video with Mara.
Wow.
And we have surprises for him as Ugandan.
Yes, I don't want
Yeah. Guys, a girl from Uganda.
Thank you.
She had paused. Maybe later.
How do you feel, mommy?
Yeah, later.
Hi guys, my name is Harriet Anabo. I'm YouTuber from Kampala, Uganda. Thank you so much, nice mom, for having me on your channel. I really appreciate.
Thank you.
So today we are surprising Mara.
Yes, the surprise.
So guys, as a mother,
Yeah.
this is Shavi Vlog. Thank you so much, guys,
Ugandans, you
mom.
look good, yeah? Thank you. There's another Ugandan here.
Hello everyone, my name is Joel Obatan, a YouTuber from Kampala, Uganda, here at Nyabuhansi, feeling the positive vibes only. So guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. I would appreciate so much.
Why are you here this morning?
I'm here this morning to give Mara. Yeah, I hope he appreciates it because he's a good man and I hope to give him more.
Okay. Is it your first time that you're going to meet Ayamara?
No, I've met him several times.
Okay.
Yes.
Have you appeared on his channel?
Yes, I've appeared on his channel and it's good. It's creating a positive impact on my
Yes,
channel.
you're one of the luckiest. Yeah. Are you going to appear to Mara's channel for the first time?
Definitely for the first time.
How do you feel?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
Feeling excited, guys. I'm just not feeling nervous. I'm excited.
I like
I'm really
that.
so happy. I really longed for this and it has come to pass. So,
But then,
super excited. I've waited for that.
Okay, I wish you well.
Wow.
Yeah, this is your time. Use it well.
I'm really going to utilize it.
Okay, thank you. These are the Ugandan ladies.
Shout out to Uganda. It's not the first time, so
I'm just excited to meet Mara. Whenever I see him, I feel excited.
In fact, you are. Yeah, you are.
Hi.
Are you also from Uganda?
No, I'm a Kenyan, a proud Kenyan.
Me, I'm happy for these people, yeah. Even you.
Thanks. I go by the name Romy is me and kindly support our mom. We call her mom.
Yes.
Yeah, and kindly support her road to success. If you're watching this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed, kindly take this moment to subscribe to her, support her. You know, she's a mentor to us. She supports us in terms of advices. She helps us in terms of mentorship, so kindly support her and we shall really appreciate because she means a lot to us. And kindly, with all due respect, take this second or this minute to click the red button that reads subscribe and make sure you click the notification bell so that you can always be notified whenever she pops another video because she always pops new videos all consistently. That is.
Okay, thank you so much.
Most welcome and blessed.
Kindly support this young man.
Yeah, Romy is me.
Romy,
Yeah.
Amazing content.
Thanks so much, ma'am.
Guys, this video is about Uganda.
Yeah.
Only. And now I'm told there is one lady who claims to be half Ugandan.
Yes.
If you're not Ugandan, please, on this side. This video is for Ugandans. Please. I want to give them a special Ugandan ladies passing
I'm standing this side.
Yes. Okay. So guys, this team behind me here, this came from Uganda. Actually, we've had many, and they have been coming, others have been leaving, but this is purely special to recognize them being here. We're gonna miss the moment. Okay. So guys, first is I'll just ask them to decide how this video will run, because maybe in their mind they had an idea. So I wanted to start with you, but again they say ladies first. No. What's your name?
My name is Joel Obatan.
Joel Obatan.
Obertan. Joel Obatan,
Okay.
a YouTuber from Uganda.
Yes.
I'm so happy. The welcome that you gave us was so hospitable, and I'm so proud of you, Mara.
I had you had issues, you couldn't charge your phone, but we fixed that.
Yeah, we fixed that. I'm so happy that you're caring and
Me, I
approach us.
didn't know. You know, you have to understand how people work every corner, sometimes you may, and like right now there is a committee. I don't know if it's that.
Yeah, there is a committee.
I don't know what they will discuss. Me, I'll be told later.
Yeah.
And most of the time, I came to realize actually how this power works. Most of the time, you can't. Then why are we here?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
So Obatan.
Yes.
Let's see your YouTube channel. This is Joel Obatan. Actually, I was checking your channel last night. I was wondering, it was getting like 200 views, right?
Yes.
I was wondering why. So, yeah, you see, I checked it.
All of us, the views are so down.
Why is it?
All of us. I don't know why.
Yeah.
For sure. I don't know why.
Okay. Guys, maybe from, I hope I promise. You know, nowadays I promise too much. I don't like that.
Yes.
After this, I will sit down with them to see a little bit what's the problem with their channels. Because here, videos should be getting at least good views. Yeah. So, Obatan,
Yes.
what have...
In this video, we have agreed
Yes.
to present you our gifts
Okay.
that we have gotten from the bottom of our hearts,
Okay.
however small it is, and we hope in the future to bring you more gifts. And then also to appear on your channel, and then we give ourselves a shout out.
Okay.
Yes.
You know, actually now we have new agreement on gifts.
Yes.
Yes. I just saw it. They have drafted everything.
Yes. How?
I don't know what's wrong with her phone. If her phone has a problem, you can use yours, then you transfer.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Yes. What's wrong with your phone? It's full space. You should be deleting the older videos.
Yeah.
Yes. Guys, we are waiting for her to fix her phone. Behind the scenes, this is how things go. It's nice, ma'am. We've reached 1,000.
And 1,400 plus. Mama, thank you so much. I love your people.
Okay.
Yes,
Number one.
thank you.
They are
Thank
the
you.
best.
They are the best.
Yeah, true story. We are waiting for you, you know. She's the only one we are waiting for. I don't want her to miss. Yeah.
Nice. What do I do? Do I feel for you? Okay.
So guys, I want Obatan to tell us what actually they have decided as a team from Uganda. Actually, last week you were very many of you, right? How many were you?
We are over 7.
7.
But then other people had the responsibility that they had to go and
Yeah,
take
like I
care of.
remember the fashion madam. What's her name?
Linzabu.
Not Linzabu. No.
Oh,
Kanaku.
Kanaku. Oh, because she had the papers.
Exams.
Yeah,
Oh,
she had an
exams.
exam.
Yeah, so she had to go back
Yeah.
and attend, but hopefully she will return here.
I even gave her money to come back,
Yes.
but she said she doesn't use bus. She came with a flight. Yeah, I'm my girlfriend. I need to give more to my girlfriend. Yeah, but now honestly, yeah.
And we love you so much.
Yeah, but you know, people come from different backgrounds. You know, you never know how she's coming. Maybe her dad is minister of internal affairs, and they're telling her take a bus. She's like, bro, are you mad? So kind of cool. Big shout out to you. So guys, in the spirit of Ugandans who are here, personally as Maro, we actually, me and my girlfriend, we recognize them here. And at the same time, they have organized something for us today. They have decided to bring some gifts. And also tomorrow, they will be cooking in the kitchen.
Wow!
They are preparing something. I think maybe, if possible, I will do a live stream tomorrow. Yes. So that people will be called something Uganda. And I want to say, guys, please go support them. You know, it's a party time, and most of people who visit me here are YouTubers. I'll ask you guys to actually, yes. What's going on? They are fighting, guys.
Well, like we're trying to say, maybe first we give him space.
Oh.
He presents, he talks his heart out.
Okay.
Then after another person can talk.
It's okay. You are together. You are three.
It's gonna be different, but when I came here, you welcomed us so much, and from the bottom of my heart, I was able to present you
Yes.
2 bags of cement.
cement.
Yeah, I said I was in need.
Thank you so much, actually. Yes, thank you a million times.
I sent it to
You know, actually, sometimes I feel sorry, not sorry. I don't know how to say this. When you feel for someone, sympathy for them. So I'm like, these people, or you, all of you, you have traveled from a different country. They have come here, and then I saw your channel, it's not getting views. Then today again, I saw you gift. I'm like, how is this guy? And you're paying hotel out there, and you have to, you know, all this. Sometimes it hits me really hard because I've always also when in my young days, I've always been that guy who I want something so bad, I sacrifice too much. Sometimes I'm like, will it really work? You know, even on my YouTube channel, 6 years ago, 7, I said I want to quit YouTube because I know sometimes the pressure can be really hard, but today things. Yes. So okay, Obatan. So you tell us what you want. You as
Me, what I want is kindly
yes.
everyone watching this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, support my work, because I want to travel the world and hopefully someday I build a villa in Uganda. And
It's not like it's impossible.
Yes.
Me, nobody helped me. I mean, in terms of, let's say, my dad is a government official or something. Through hard work and belief. And this YouTube thing.
And also I want to make my village a famous village, because my village and yours, they share the same. We have a river next to the village and bordering Kenya.
It's bordering Kenya.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, so I hope someday, through your support, I want to build a villa and invite a lot of people from different countries.
Yeah. Like now we have that guys from America, you know?
Actually looks like 100 people.
It looks like 100 people.
Then someday I invite you, I hear that Marwa, you are invited.
I will come. I will come. So, you know, me what I can. Do you have a master class?
Masterclass, I have a good question.
Who has a master class here? No one. Yes, please go ask somebody who has a master class. Ask them if it's worth buying.
I have someone who has a master class.
And what did they say?
He said I should get it.
They say like that?
Yes.
Because honestly, I poured my entire heart. I told myself, and this is crazy, if I die today, and people wonder how this guy made it, there is a backup
A blueprint.
Yes, it's like my brain.
That's
here.
true.
That's how actually I did that masterclass. Yes, I gave it everything. Like I didn't nothing. Even there, I say how much money I make. So imagine.
That's the
like
same
I
thing
poured
he told
everything
me.
out. Because sometimes when I was a kid, professors would die. Like there's a guy in Kenya used to be called Professor George Saitoti. He was a very famous politician. He was so smart, so rich, so everything. And one day he died and everything just... So I kept saying, man, I wish they gave me his brain because he was so smart. Now, when I was doing this masterclass, I was like, now my brain, when it comes to this YouTube thing, it's where? It's right here in the masterclass. That's why I always tell you guys, please get them. It's not even about the money. Yes. And even another thing is this, you don't have to get it. Find somebody who has already bought it. There's even a madam who stays there. They don't have to
Use
watch
his
my video. This one,
phone.
you think it's worth
Use
it.
his iPhone.
For some of us who got problems with, is it the card?
The
Paying
card.
with yeah, you have to use a card to pay.
Yeah, we're actually thinking on how we can do even M-Pesa. But you see,
M-Pesa
it's not my money. It's a company. Right now I'm under management. They manage everything. Me, my job is just I was the talent. I've been signed, you know. Only that I've signed, nothing else. Yes. Okay, Obatan.
Yes.
So, you know, the dream will come true. But please check if you can get a master class. It will be really amazing, man. I swear it will help you.
I will endeavor my best.
And the same message I send it to all you Ugandans here. And it's, you know, it's a whole thing that you can study a whole year. So imagine. Yes. So, Batan, do you feel comfortable that we've given you a shout out the way you want?
Yes, I'm felt so proud of myself.
Okay.
And I feel I'm going to do better and I'm going to help my community through working hard. Yeah.
And also I'll give you one trick. If you want to be a rich man, the way you say, you have to help people. Yes.
Thank you very much.
You have to help. Yes. If you want to be.
All right, I appreciate it so much. Thank you.
So who from here? We go left or right?
Right.
Okay, let's start
From here.
Hey, this lady is very persistent. I really like her. Some days she didn't even have a place to stay. She talked with me. I said, give her a room. Then after 2 days, the community came and said, we want everybody out of the house. And I'm like, that Ugandan lady, I told her yesterday to have the room. Again, after 2 days, I'm saying, get out of the room. I felt for you, but I had no power, you know. There I'm telling you, sometimes committee, I have to respect them. because you see, even right now they are there all that time. Then me, just as the boss, to say no, it's not okay.
They don't feel they are important.
Yes. So, hey, where do you live now? Or you've been married?
Say the truth.
One of my relatives came in for me.
Oh.
Bargained with the border print at a discount.
Okay.
Because of internet issues, they provide free internet.
Oh, they have internet there?
Yes,
Wow.
yes, that's why I'm staying.
Okay.
Yeah.
So your relative,
And actually that same relative bought a pack from you.
a pack, what's a pack?
A pack, the packs.
Oh, masterclass.
Packs. The packs, the YouTube packs.
Oh, the membership
Membership packs.
Oh,
Yeah,
membership
packs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, a pack. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know if it's a pack or pack.
A pack? A pack? Oh my God.
Wait, so hey, you wanna give that person a shout out or we just
No, it's not a YouTuber.
no, like you thank him on camera, maybe he may see.
Oh, it's
But if you feel it's too much, you don't have.
but he loves you
secret
so
agenda.
much.
Okay,
Yeah, always
okay.
watching you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how can I? Okay. Okay, what do you want? You say.
I want support.
Actually, I feel this video will be what do you want? The title.
Okay, my YouTube channel is not doing well, so
Okay.
kindly support me by subscribing. Also,
Okay.
my viewership is low.
Okay. What is your main struggle? What do you think is making that?
I don't know. I can't tell. Because I try so hard.
Okay.
But, yeah. The
So what's
viewership
your
is
channel
low.
name?
JBN.
JBN. Yeah, you can show. Please show. It's always good to show so that people watching on TV they can pause and Yes. So you're from Jinja or Kampala?
From Kampala.
Okay. So
I live in Kampala, but my village is in Uganda.
Okay. Guys, do you realize nowadays people recognize themselves with their village?
Yeah.
Village is becoming really popular.
Yeah.
So how can we help you, madam? People watching, including me, I'm watching now.
Yeah, kindly watch my videos and also subscribe to my channel. I have my grandmother. She's not doing well. She's sick. I need to
Excuse
provide
me,
for her,
Marwa.
but I'm unable
His
to.
phone is full.
His phone is
It's not
Your phone?
working. Yeah.
yeah.
Whose phone is this?
For her.
For her.
JBN, when your phone is full, and then you may think they turned it off.
Yeah.
She says,
Actually, we're all
you may
praying.
think you, like
I'm
jealous.
jealous.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay, if there's no phone working, please say. That one will wait.
Yes.
So you say your grandmother is sick.
Yeah, she's sick and she's not doing good. Every time she calls me for help, I'm the one who was helping her before I lost my job. But today,
Which job did you have before?
I was working as a human resource officer
Okay.
in Kampala.
Okay. Now you quit your job or you lost your
I
job?
lost my job.
Now you on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't want to look for a rich man.
We are looking for them.
You're looking for
I'm
them.
looking for one.
She's seeing and searching.
I'm looking for one.
Yeah, I've been working hard.
Both of them.
Even that rich man finds me.
Rich,
Both of them.
rich man. I'll come there. Are you a rich man? You know, I'm sorry to cut you short. There's a game called chess. I'm told the queen can jump all the steps and be at the top. But for the king, he has to move every step. And the reason to that is being a girl. I'm not pushing this agenda, but I'm just saying because now she said like that. Being a girl is actually there is a way you can just jump steps of life and be
there.
and be there. Yes.
Man has to hustle.
For us, it's step by step.
Yeah, that's true.
Even on YouTube, actually, for females, it's easy actually to grow quick
Low.
than because, for example, a girl texts her the key and says shower in my village. I saw actually one where the girls were taking shower. I don't know if it's in this village, in this river.
Yes.
One got 300,000. Yes, go check.
Just showering.
Yes. And I saw another boy struggling. And
You have to bring it home. You have to bring it home. It's like you and your sister.
yeah,
The duration that it has taken you to reach 400,000.
Yes.
It's not the same.
as my
Yes, as your sister, yes.
So that's factual.
No, me, I know that because the ladies I started YouTube with, right now, they are at least 1 million plus. There is a lady who used to call herself, I think, Anne, I don't know Anne who. We used to do videos in Mexico 6 years ago. If today you search like Anne Tulum, Cenote, she will appear. She's at 1 million plus, maybe 2 million right now. Because ladies have this magic attraction. You know? Okay. So I've given you some more tricks for being a lady. I don't know why you're struggling.
We have to get bikinis.
But not too much. To mix a little bit. At the same time, you're living life. You know?
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
So one more time, give your channel a shout out.
Give the channel.
Yes. So if you know you're next, you search for the channel. So when you reach,
Okay.
yeah. Guys, these are our team from Uganda who came to visit us. I'm really asking you guys. I'll put their link right here. You go and support all of them, guys. They have even brought us gifts. They have been staying here. Like you, how long have you been staying here?
I came here before the party.
So
It's
it's
been
been
1 month
1 month plus.
plus. Yeah.
But have you seen any change on your channel?
Yeah.
It's growing.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah. No, most people here, most people grow. Even Nice Mom, when you came, how many subscribers?
Oh, it's 78.
17.
Yeah,
And now,
1,400 plus.
you know.
Magic camera.
Yes. Yes, I just showed you before. Is there anything you feel you're being left behind that you want to say?
Kindly subscribe to my channel, guys.
Yes.
Subscribe and also watch my videos.
Yes.
Yeah.
Watch my masterclass.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it will help you. It's not like I'm pushing for money. I swear, just watch that masterclass. It's even me, I know if I was me, it's worth it. Yes. Okay, let's go to a lady here. You danced with that South Sudanese guy.
Yes, Mr. BMG. Shout
Mr.
out to you.
BMG.
He's going to watch this. I
Yes.
know. Yes.
Why can't you just date him? He has too many subscribers. He can give you.
No, Mr. BMG and me were just like close friends, just like brothers and sisters.
Okay, no, I'm just making a joke. Yes.
But he's a nice guy.
Very nice.
Yes. Yeah.
Why are you running away?
There's that thing called why you running.
What is it?
Okay, first year, okay.
I have the gifts. I didn't show
Oh,
them.
okay. Okay, let's
Yeah.
show her gift, guys.
Here.
And my camera is getting hot, so yes, okay.
I brought the milk and the gumboots for the mat.
Wow. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very well.
Yes.
Hey, you are really looking Africa to the world.
Yes. I'm the heart of Africa spirit.
Yes.
I just came from the spirit there. It was so good, guys.
Also.
I took a walk in the village and yes.
No, because it's
Let me also film it.
Okay, now it's
Sense your hands. Long.
okay. Let's come.
Yes, yes. You know, first of all, I would like to start by saying that knowledge is not free
Yeah.
and it is not cheap.
Yeah.
Right here where we are all gaining knowledge here.
Yeah.
And a lot of people, that's the first thing you should invest in is in your knowledge.
Wow.
So, and every time for anybody to be successful,
Yeah.
you have to have a mentor. You have to say, even a mason, even these people who are building here, somebody taught them how to do it. And that's how it used to be with our culture.
Yeah.
And with the master class, you know, first when I knew about Maro, it was just like a month ago.
Wow.
And I just bumped into him and I just liked him.
Wow.
And I said, this guy, He's my son's exact age, but he's my mentor.
Wow.
He's the kind of mentorship that I needed.
Wow.
And I didn't even know he has a master class.
Wow.
So I then find out that he has a master class. So in that master class, it shows you how you can begin from zero to a hero.
Wow.
Mara shows us like anybody. You know, first of all, people think me. I thought the same. Like you need an expensive camera like this. So even me, I had actually budgeted for this camera, and then he said, no, you just need a phone, anything that can. What you give to offer, which is what is your content that is important.
Wow.
So Mara showed us how he got an opportunity to go to Colombia.
It's very hot for you guys?
No, he got an opportunity to go to Colombia, and that's another one. You have to go to the master class so you know that story.
They have not both, none of
Yes,
them. I
yes.
just wanted, because I've seen you actually every day you are that corner.
Yes.
I wanted to know,
Okay, so
like honestly, is it worth it?
it is worth it. It is so worth it. You see the passion I have, yeah? And everything is from that class. It will show you how to do the camera. It will show you how to hold it. There's a reason why he's doing this, or he has the gumboots, or so there are so many nuggets inside there. And then there's introduction, there's a quiz. Then the first class there's a quiz. In another class there's a quiz. So there's about 40 videos, guys. 40 videos.
There are questions
Yes.
they ask you, and they give you answers. They have answers?
No, they don't give you answers. So I did the first quiz, and you can see the questions. So I focused on the questions so that I can know the answers.
Oh, as you watch?
Yes,
oh, I see.
yes.
So
I
you started
focus on the
with
questions.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, let me
Yes.
go back to
Thank
them.
you so much. The master class
My camera,
is it.
my camera shut down, guys.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
I think
Sorry,
it's back.
sorry.
So you guys, please, the master class is what you need, and I'm not just trying to sell it also, because I didn't
I
know.
want one of you to go and buy it.
Yes.
Then you sell the rest.
Yes. Thank you.
Welcome.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. The heart of Africa spirit.
Thank you. Thank you.
Maja K. Thank you, man.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. Guys, sorry I've changed my channel these days to gifts and everything, but I hope you understand. After the party, we'll start traveling, and more videos or vlogs will come. Okay, thank you. Or is something missing?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because people will watch there, we have already shown them.
Kindly subscribe, I beg you kindly to
No, you
subscribe
don't
to my
beg.
channel.
You say kindly.
Yeah, kindly.
Yes, when you beg, you look desperate.
Okay.
Just say kindly.
Yeah.
Even I never use the word please. When I use please, it's like so intense.
Yeah.
Yes. Those are social media things you have to learn.
And shout out to Wings EMS who came in for me to help me.
Oh, that's you said you are
My
relative.
relative.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is from Uganda?
No,
Yeah.
from United States.
Wait, he watched you from United States.
No, it's our relative. It's my relative.
So before he used
But
to
he
know.
was before he knew me.
Okay.
He knows me.
Okay.
But he was not. He was not into this YouTube thing for me to join. But later on, he had support too.
Okay.
Yeah.
A big shout out. Big shout out for supporting one of your own. Maybe when she'll be successful, she'll build a big house.
Yes.
When you come to Africa, she'll be the one receiving you. Keep supporting her. That's one thing I know about YouTube. And if they watch Marwa and they see how people get supported, they will not think two times.
My grandmother is sick. I need to
Okay.
take care of her. Why I keep talking about her? It's because she took care of me when I was tiny.
So, wait,
She's
you don't
very
have
close
parents?
I have my mom, but she was not there.
Okay.
Yeah, she
Okay.
wasn't. Yeah.
Okay. So let's go to our sister here.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Harriet Anabo.
Harriet Anab.
Yes.
Harriet, you are single or married? Or what's it?
No, really.
Yeah.
I'm not married.
Maybe a guy from America.
Yes.
Yes, you never know.
Yes.
Okay, Harriet. So let's see first your YouTube channel, Harriet. You're from Uganda also?
I'm from Uganda.
Harriet Anabo.
Yes.
So who watches YouTube on your family? Please film for her.
Yes.
So she doesn't miss this important shot.
Yes. It's also filming for
Oh,
me as well.
okay. So
Yes,
you're good.
thank you
Hey,
so
Harriet,
much.
you have backup. I feel like you're that girl who has I'm sorry.
She's a
But
nice
in reality,
lady.
that is true. I always have favors from
She's
people,
a nice
backups
lady.
and all that.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So Harriet,
Yes.
tell us about yourself a little bit, so you can actually, the audience can get to know you.
Yes.
Then tell us what you want. I see you have a big 20 liters.
Yes, 20 liters for you.
Wow. So first introduce yourself.
Okay. So guys, my name is Harriet Anabo,
Yes.
a YouTuber from Uganda, Kampala.
Yes.
But I'm not from the central Uganda, I'm from West Nile. I come from Arua.
Okay.
Yes, that's where I come from.
Yeah.
So for me to start up, maybe I can say something small for me to...
Sure.
Okay.
This is your moment.
Thank you so much. I appreciate.
Okay.
So for me to be a YouTuber,
Yes.
after school, I went for an 8 to 5 job.
Okay.
But I got some challenges there with my boss.
Okay.
He wanted to somehow like sexually harass me.
Oh. Wow.
Oh, sorry.
I've never said it to anyone here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, sorry.
Now Harriet, again you're crying.
No,
Yes.
it's okay.
Okay.
So that's the reason
Yeah.
why I started up my channel.
Okay.
And another thing, I've always wanted to be my own boss. That's
Okay.
me. I love being my own boss, and I love helping others as well.
Yeah.
So I said, why not start up a bag and toe collection? I still have it. It's online.
A bag.
Bag and toe collection. I sell
Okay.
bags and shoes online.
Wow.
That's like my
Online.
side hustle.
Okay.
Yes, apart from YouTube, that's my side hustle.
Okay.
And after I started up my YouTube channel, but of course I started watching a lot of people. Shout outs to African Nyako. She's a YouTuber from Uganda. She's my friend so
I've seen
much.
her channel.
She's my close friend. So she brought me to her home and started teaching me YouTube.
Yeah.
That's how I got to know about YouTube. Thank you so much, African Nyako, if you're watching this.
African Nyako is Nyako, right?
Yes.
I have advice for you. See the videos that made you famous and keep doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Because sometimes she keeps changing and she loses it. Yes.
Yeah, that's true.
But sometimes that comes, if you watch my masterclass, you'll see one thing. The reason why if you shift your type of content, then views disappear, you feel, but I'll teach you about that. I've mastered the trick because I'm the guy who can be traveling in South America, people are watching, in Europe people are watching, in the village people are watching. There's a trick actually to that. Yes. So yes, African Nyako, big shout out to you.
Yes.
Yeah. Huh?
So she's the one who introduced me to YouTube, and I asked her, how did you do it?
Yeah.
Because me, I love asking people, how did you do it, instead of just hating someone.
Okay.
That's what I always keep on telling people. Ask someone how they made it, how they got successful.
Yeah.
So I went to her, she gave me her time,
Yes.
and she told me do this and this. So I just went back home, opened up my channel, and started YouTube.
Wow.
Yes.
How long have you been on YouTube now?
1 year.
1 year.
Yes.
How has been the journey?
The journey has not been so good because most of the time, if you check my channel, I was doing city videos, Kampala videos most of the time.
Streets.
Yes, street videos, like I vlog in the street with Joel Obasan and Shami Vlog. That's the kind of content we do.
Shami vlogs. We are yet to come to you.
Adna Longo Letisha.
Nalongo, na?
Nalongo Letisha.
Nalongo, Letitia.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's the kind of video that we always do. But sometimes when I go back to my village, I also do village content, and it's also there. So coming to Nyabuhansi,
Yeah.
I just knew I was going to fit here, and I told my team, guys, let's go. This is our time. If Mara is home, this is our time. Let's
That's
go.
true.
Yes.
And already your moment is right now.
Yes. So thank you so much for giving me this platform. Mara.
Okay.
And thank you for the kind heart.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right. What have you not liked here? Just be honest. We will fix it today.
Not.
Just
What
say
I've
it.
not liked.
Or you are afraid of the camera?
No, it's not like that. At first, I had challenges with the food, with the ugali. That's the only thing I would say. Maybe even the weather. It rains so much in Kenya. Even in Uganda, it does.
It's rainy season, I guess.
Yeah.
Right now.
But
if you come
maybe,
in January,
yes.
it's dry.
Yes.
Yeah, even there's dust.
Yeah. Maybe that it's rainy season, and I'm not used to being in a cold place. I always get cold. Even right now, my voice is not so good.
Okay.
But yeah, so far so good.
So you decided to bring us 20 liters of
Diesel for you.
diesel.
Yes.
Guys, this is it. I don't know. Oh, but it's 20 as you see, guys.
Yes.
So why diesel? Yes.
I bought for you diesel because I wanted to, because of course generators have different types. So I first had to call
Yeah.
Isnasto
Yeah.
and ask him which kind of diesel does Ayamara's generator use.
Yeah.
Then he, which kind of fuel was it?
Fuel,
Yes,
yeah.
fuel.
It
He
says
told me
diesel.
it's diesel.
Yeah.
Then I was like, okay, let me go for diesel because right now,
Yeah.
this is what you need most. I feel like you're spending a
true.
lot of diesel, like
Yeah.
fueling that generator. I
Right
saw
now
it
it's-
myself.
yeah,
It's
it's-
so big.
Yeah.
And I was like, what? Like this
Yeah.
is so big. How do you handle doing that?
So in 24 hours, it takes 2 of these.
Wow, for sure. Yes.
So, and one, how much did you buy?
I bought it 4,100. The
Oh,
jerry can was
okay.
100, so that is 4,200 in total.
Okay.
For that
But
jerry.
it's full.
Full, yes. I told the guy to make it full.
Why do people? Because me, I pay 4,600. I have to investigate. Where did you buy it?
I bought it in Isibania, Total Energies, Isibania.
Total, they are
Yes.
genuine.
Guys, sorry, I have to confirm because every
Yes.
day I pay. It's very hard to
You
open.
can open it like this. It's not.
You can use this stone, yeah?
That's where a stone. Oh yeah.
Thank you so much.
Hey guys,
Yes.
I swear it's full.
Yeah.
Wow. So
At first he told me it's 3,100. So when he was
3,000?
yes, when he was fueling it, I told him no, I want it
where is
full.
Gitiriba? Gitiriba, guess to answer.
I think where he is buying it.
It's different. It's different.
Maybe like different
So
price.
this is total.
Yeah, they are
Total
genuine.
Energies.
Their prices.
So at first he first told me 3,100. I told him fill it. Then after filling it, it was like here. I told him no, I want it full. Then he told me pay 4,100.
Because sometimes, normally I give them 4,500 to 700, depending.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. But no transport because I pay for transport. So I wish we believe all
Ready to say why total?
Total energy is
It has strong fuel.
Yeah, its fuel is really
So,
strong.
okay, now it's 4,100.
Yes,
Now.
it's 4,100.
Okay.
So I decided to do this because I knew at this time we really need the
You know,
fuel.
there's not been electricity in the village.
Like for a full month now, I think.
I feel like I don't know. I don't want to say this. They'll come for me. But I don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
Kenya Power, guys. What's going on? It's a whole month.
Yeah.
Yeah. Imagine they took it and they have never replaced for a whole month.
And I told them, eat your rudeness. Because every day,
Yeah.
guys go up there, connect, do the stuff.
Yeah.
So they took the transformer and told them, now you're rude, you're not having any transformer. So if you are-
But that could be just a reason to, Yes. But,
Yeah.
okay. So Harriet, back to you.
Yes.
So first I want to say thank you for bringing me 20 liters. No, you don't need it.
This is their culture. This is their culture.
Okay, wait, one more time now. I want to capture the surprise.
Yes. So in my culture, when you're presenting a gift to an elder, you have to kneel and then present it. So
Guys, did you know that? I think this will be my thumbnail. This culture shocked me. Yes, wow.
yes, so
Oh.
this is my sign of appreciation to you for everything you've done for us. You welcomed us so nicely. Your home is just like our home now, and anytime we are coming back here.
I had some complaints, thank you. Now, should I pull you up? Also, this is your culture?
Yes.
Why she didn't do that?
Not my culture.
It's not our culture. Yeah.
Yes, you know, also there are tribes.
Yeah, that's right.
Abasoga. I don't know.
Abachiga.
But Central Uganda, I feel like in Buganda, everywhere, girls have to kneel for their elders.
Even Tanzania. Even me when I was growing up here in this village, nowadays it has changed. Like somebody will not, especially a girl, will not give you water for you to drink without
Exactly,
like
without respecting it.
yeah.
Even the foods, we respect them. Kneeling, you see us tomorrow there. You have to cover yourself very well. And you will sit there tomorrow when you're
Tomorrow I'll be
preparing.
there, guys, with a video.
Yes.
My question is, if your husband marries you, you'll have to do the same.
Everything. You have to respect your husband. Yes.
Hey, guys. I don't
The
know.
rest of our culture may fade, but that doesn't fade.
Yes.
Oh,
It is
that
not
one.
fading.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not fading.
So Harriet, one more time.
Yes.
I don't know if my phone is functioning. Who has a phone here? It shows. Let me. Yes, Harriet. Okay. So you can search. Search. I want to show her YouTube channel. Guys, it's a special recognition. The video today is about Uganda. Yes. That's how my phone makes noise sometimes.
Yes, it's over here.
Yes, I've subscribed to your channel, or I had not subscribed.
You have.
Yes, I have.
Thank
Actually,
you
I
so
support you guys. When I say, if I ask people to subscribe, I already subscribe.
Yeah, it's
Thank you
true.
so much.
It's true.
Because I really want also you to be successful.
Yeah, maybe the
Yeah.
views, we're having struggles with our views.
Views. Okay, I'll come and give you a private lesson.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
All of you.
Thank you so much.
Ah, yeah. So back to you.
Yes.
Why is your ring here? This is personal.
Oh no,
Yes.
I don't know. It's just a design, not
Okay.
that much.
But you are looking or single or married?
No,
Yeah.
no ring.
Wait, in Uganda there are too many single ladies. From Uganda, right?
No ring again.
I'm super single.
Single Pro Max.
Look how
See how he's
this could be it.
Yeah, this could be my chance.
sure.
I've seen the kneading, I've seen the culture is very nice. So I'm coming for private lessons. I have international.
Okay. So please introduce yourself. Guys, they love their country. It's why
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really loved this because I'm so much inspired by Kenyans.
Oh,
That
yeah.
this is more like their
Yeah,
passport,
look,
their
look,
ID.
everybody has
Everyone. Everyone.
Yeah.
Wow.
Actually, if you travel,
So many Kenyans, they have this.
yes.
But then I was like, not so many Ugandans have this. But
Actually,
this
these are like our
identifies
trademark.
you. I saw one guy, you were in UK, and one guy was like, you greeted him,
Yeah.
and then he was like, you're from Kenya.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
through this.
Yeah.
And then I was like, so this is another ID.
Yeah,
So I'm
actually
from
it's true.
Uganda.
And most Kenyans, even that guy right there, he has it. Look.
Everyone. Everyone in Kenya, I swear.
If you're Kenyan and you don't have, don't
Oh.
feel bad.
So I was just inspired by that. I really
Okay.
loved it.
So please
So
introduce
guys,
yourself.
my name is Nalongo
Okay.
Letitia.
Okay.
Nalongo, it's Nalo.
No, you need to show.
Sure.
Yeah, it's because my name is.
Actually, I've never.
Jackie?
It's the first time I'm hearing your name.
Yeah, my
I
name
know
means.
Harriet.
My name means twin mother.
Twin mother.
Yeah, I am a twin mother.
So
A mother of twins. They gave you that
Yeah.
name when you grow up and happen to have.
So wait, you have twins,
Yeah, I have twins.
and they just gave you from the name.
Yeah, they gave me from the names. I got that name when I gave birth to them. So in Uganda, it is so hard for you. Maybe if you happen to tell someone
Yeah.
that you have given birth to twins, and they stay calling you your
Had you
name.
subscribed to her channel? You know when sometimes people search like that, and you realize you are closest
Her
neighbor
network is not good. Can I have network?
has not subscribed to your channel. Look how she's holding. Check your phone.
Maybe you can use Mara's phone.
Let me
Yeah.
use your phone.
But I've never had that channel, so actually it's subscribing. Yeah. I know hers, I know your channel, I know yours.
Yeah,
Even
this.
yours, maybe I don't know that
For
much.
real. I've been here for 1 month.
I don't know somehow.
Just tap on it. Okay.
Yes.
This is my channel.
Guys, I've just subscribed to their channel right
Yeah, Nalongo Letitia.
there. Letitia.
Yes.
I think also Letitia is a Kenyan name.
Yeah.
Yeah, Masai, yeah.
Masai, they really do
Yes.
that. Okay. And my name means being happy.
Being
So,
happy.
Yeah.
So it means a mother of twins?
No, Letitia.
Oh,
But
Letitia.
Nalongo means a mother of twins.
Okay.
Yes.
That is her channel, guys. Please
Yes.
go support her right there. She has 2,000 subscribers. What's your
Wow.
biggest challenge? Let me see. I'll tell you right now. No, this is a good one. Yes, this is a good, but I wish it was up close. Like close. You take
Okay,
pictures very
closer.
closer.
Okay.
Yes. This is a good one within good too. Like this is well, this is well. And also it's very easy sometimes to tell a video that does well. You see the one that people got a lot of views. Study from that video. What did you do? How did you talk? Then you improve
On that.
on that.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So tell people what you wish people to help you with.
What I am wishing for people to do for me is to go and subscribe to my channel, because I really want to grow so much,
Okay.
and I really want to become a big YouTuber like you.
Alright.
I'm really so inspired by you mostly, and
Okay.
D Mwango. I always watch you so much, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for always giving us those videos and the hard work you always put on.
You know, actually, guys, for those who don't know, I have a sister. Her name is Dimwango. I
Yeah.
think now she's the biggest
Female.
And she has over 400,000 subscribers. I remember when she was starting her YouTube channel, her close friend, she tells me this story, her very, very close friend used to tell her, you think YouTube is for people like you?
That's because she was a village girl.
Yes, because she was a village girl.
Oh, because she was a village girl.
You know, sometimes people look at you just like this, and they have already judged you so quickly that this one is not going anywhere.
It's not going to work out.
You don't forget about those people. Your job is to put video. Even yourself, you start doubting yourself. You still put videos out.
Yes.
That's the trick of YouTube.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much for the
pressure.
love.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for the love that you have given us. Thank you so much for welcoming us here, Ayamara.
All right.
It is really it has been a good journey for us because I have spent here now like 2 weeks and I'm feeling comfortable. People here are lovely and you're so welcoming.
You know, actually,
Thanks for the good heart.
next time when you guys come, hopefully, I'll build a hostel. Big hostel
Yes.
that can host at least 50 to 100 people.
Yeah.
So I'll especially if you're coming from Uganda, I'll give you a great discount.
Wow.
But you know, hostel is not so comfortable. It's just like a bed. And
But we are
you've seen me
travelers.
traveling.
We are travelers.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Guys, if you just joined and you saw her kneeling and you're like, whoa, please watch the video from the start. So she'll explain. Yes. Who is left from Uganda?
Yeah.
Hey, Shami Vlog. You say fashion here. Why do I feel like you are the girl with the vibe?
She has a
I
vibe.
have a great vibe.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
the truth. So this is Shami Vlog from Uganda.
Okay.
I'm currently
Super single. Guys, don't
super
forget.
single.
They should not forget that.
Okay.
Yeah,
Shami
that's the
Vlogs.
truth.
Okay. Okay.
Subscribe because you haven't.
Let me see. Maybe I have checked, but I know Harriet and those ones
Joey.
I have. And
Subscribe.
yeah, she works so hard. The other day I passed in the town. I saw her walking and said, you know, it's YouTube that has brought her here. Had already subscribed? Okay. Shami Vlogs, guys, she's right there. And all of you have 2,000.
And me, I have 4K.
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 4K. 2,000. 2,000. 2,000. When you came here, you had?
1,600.
Okay. You're growing.
Yes.
And one thing I love about my followers, which are you guys, it's not just random people.
Yeah.
These are people who even cannot see you go down.
Yes.
They can hold your hand.
Yes.
You know? So Shami, this is your moment. You sound Jamaican. Shami.
Maybe because I love Jamaica
Okay. You
style
should
and
visit.
everything.
Yes,
Yeah, I have
yes,
to.
yes. Like right there.
Yeah, truthfully,
Okay.
I want to visit Jamaica someday.
Okay.
Yeah, so me, I'm a Ugandan. I do content around Kampala
Yes.
and some places in Uganda. I
Yes.
try to travel.
Yeah.
Yeah, however much I'm not monetized yet. So
Okay.
I use the net I have to travel around.
Wow. Who is not monetized again? You are monetized. And you?
I am.
You?
Monetized.
Why are you not monetized? Maybe you're making very short videos.
Yeah, that is just a challenge and also watch hours.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, I started being consistent this year.
Okay, yeah, that's also another problem. YouTube it doesn't like you do and you disappear. Even if things are not working on your way,
Yes.
you put that video out and now fix those other problems. Yeah, let's say the neighbor has a problem with you, he's trying to say his boundary is here and it's not here. You first do your vlog, then go now see those other things. YouTube, it's like that. But don't find an excuse, you know, today the neighbor brought problems, I'm not in the mood. No. Shami Vlogs, I really hope that you get monetized.
Oh,
How many watch hours are left?
1,500.
Left.
Because I have 2,488 now.
And how long will you stay here?
I want to be here till the very end.
So, okay, I'll do a special interview with you so that I see if your channel can pick up.
Okay, thank you so
Yes.
much. I love
You know, my main problem right now is I'm promising too much.
it. I'll bring myself because I know
Yes,
it's a promise.
yes.
So
Yeah.
I'll
I'll do
come
my
for
best.
that promise.
Yeah, I can. 15 minutes, I can.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Shami Vlogs, guys, check her on YouTube. Watch her videos so that she can get monetized. today's video, guys, if you just arrived here, it's about the Ugandans who are actually our neighbor here. They call it the Pearl of Africa.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, and just to show recognition that they are here, I'm doing a very special video for them. I forgot the madam who came here. She was farming.
She's Kamsime Christine.
Yes,
Kamsime Christine.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So Kamsime, if you're watching, Liz Zabo is also here.
Yes.
Shout out.
Okay, so Ugandan team come together. Oh, sorry. You know, sometimes I forget gifts. I am more of, I want to see you succeed.
I decided to bring
Slippers.
slippers for the
They will
bathroom
really help us. Actually, like right now we have.
and one
Yes.
bag of cement.
Thank you so much.
This is all I could afford at this
Now, like you're not being paid by YouTube. And you pay rent.
Yeah.
Where are you getting
Entrance
this
fee
money
too.
from? Entrance fee. How you like surviving? This is now survival.
Like, of
Or your
course,
dad is a rich man.
but of course, like my
Yeah.
family supports me.
Okay.
They know I love this. So when we heard about the party,
Yeah.
actually they first talked about it and I was hesitant.
Oh.
But when we sat really we went for a meeting.
We went
the
for a
three of-
meeting, the three of
The
us.
three
Okay.
of us, me,
Yes.
Joel, and Harriet.
Yeah.
Then we talked about it. They're like, yeah, you have to come. I went home and told them, you know what? I have to go to Kenya. I really want this.
Okay.
And they're like, yeah, sure. They gave me money.
Did you meet corrupt officers at the board?
No.
No,
Yeah.
because I had a passport.
Yeah, I
I didn't have any problem.
Yeah,
but
maybe Joel.
Or you didn't have a passport?
I also
I had a
did.
national ID.
So you had to
Oh.
pay something.
But you know, actually, we are supposed to cross with the national ID.
I did.
With the national ID.
Yes.
Yeah, because it's that true. Actually, I saw, especially, you know, we are one community like
Yes,
East
East
Africa.
Africa, yes.
We can travel with our IDs.
So they charged me about 500 Kenya shillings.
Okay, no, that's okay.
That's okay.
And that's because it's a corrupt officer. Normally, he would just say and say, okay, go.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we didn't get any troubles at the border.
Okay.
We had passports.
Okay. Now your family will see you saying your secret.
And please, they watch you. And please start watching me from the TV. That hurts me. You watch Mara from the TV and from me on the
Okay.
phone.
So you had to say that.
Yeah, I have to.
Oh, I had forgotten something.
Harriet.
Someone from the US
Yeah.
also sent his regards.
Okay.
Actually, he was part of this contribution that I did.
Okay.
And he told me to tell you his YouTube channel. He's in the US and he's coming in January
Okay.
to see you here.
Okay.
Yes, so his
So
name
big-
is
yes, big shout out to
maybe,
him.
yes.
Okay. Or Harriet, you forgot his name.
He's Waji
Okay, just take-
underscore Johnny.
Okay.
Yes.
Guys, today's video is purely as
Yeah.
supporting our Ugandan brothers and sisters. And also, if you are a Ugandan, there is a guy who has a YouTube channel called I Am Maro Fan. I think he's Ugandan. Like, he runs that page. I have subscribed to it. So, if you see this, also, thank you so much. I don't know if it's a boy
No,
or a
it's
girl.
not coming.
Yes. Maybe he doesn't put many videos. You know, also
Yeah.
YouTube, if you don't put many videos, when people search you, you never pop up.
Yeah, so Mr. Mara, because
Yes.
we came like other people went back, but
Yeah.
I feel like I want to give a shout out to Lynn Zabu World.
Okay,
She was here, we came with her,
Yeah.
me, Harriet, and Lynn Zabu plus Joel.
Okay.
Please kindly go check her out, Lynn Zabu World. There's Smart 256, he was also here, and Raj 256.
Oh, Raji, the
Raj,
guy who
yeah.
went to receive his friends from Canada.
Yes.
Okay.
So they're also part of this team that
Yeah.
came.
You know, I've been to Kampala one time. I went to this Munyonyo. Is it Munyonyo? Munyonyo is very famous.
Yes, it's
And also,
Yes.
And
kindly,
Kamalagala.
1 second, I would also want to give a very big shout out to my friend, my brother who is supporting me.
Okay.
While I'm here, it's called UG Connect.
UG Connect.
Connect,
Yes,
yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
UG
UG
Connect.
about you, Kampala.
UG Connect, big shout out to you.
Yeah.
Yes. All right,
So
guys.
it's here.
All right.
Let me subscribe right
Yes,
now
please.
because he's going to watch this video.
Okay.
He supports you like he loves you so much. He
YG's
watches your channel.
underscore Johnny.
Yes, his channel is
Alright.
just new.
All right.
32 videos.
All right.
Yes, thank you.
All right, guys, this will be the end of the Ugandan.
Video?
No, not the end of the video. We're gonna end. My videos goes 1 hour,
Yes.
so I'll have to go and end it somewhere else. But today's video is purely yours. Just make sure you give out your
Links.
links. This video will go out tomorrow.
Thank you.
Just give it to my PA, one person, and they send all of the links.
Okay.
I'll copy and paste.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Sorry,
much.
sorry, half Kenyan. Maybe another day, because I want purely this to be their day. You know, I want them to think.
Please.
Sasa, madam, you know, this video is their video. Okay. If you ask me for that, she'll also say she has a gift. Then if I put 10 links, they can only get 20 subscribers or even 2. I want them to feel that recognition.
Thank you so much.
Yes.